guys, it's Rima Noor again with you with another solution. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall a program from your PC permanently. So let's get started. So for that, here type in search bar control panel. Open it. And then guys, type here in search bar and install a program. So guys, here you can see. And then guys, here you can uninstall any program you want. So guys, now I'm going to show you another process. So for that, simply type here in search bar and install a program. So guys, here you can see add or remove program. So guys, here you can uninstall any program you want permanently. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye. Have a great day.